And I would like to welcome on stage, and with a big round of applause, please, Michal from edrone.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Michael, and I got a question. Who is a better e-commerce marketer? A human being or a machine?
Machine.
Yeah, that's correct. So I can finish now. The first question is, which product is the most likely to be bought together with an API?
Yes.
Oh, come on. The next question will be much easier, okay? Do you know the Jeopardy game? Who knows it? Yeah, let's play, okay. Come on. Wanted for general evilness. Last seen at the Tower of Barad-dûr. It's a giant eye, folks, kinda hard to miss. What's this? No, come on. What is so wrong? Okay. By answering this and dozens of similar questions, a supercomputer called Watson won the Jeopardy game, beating its former champions. Okay. But how the artificial intelligence actually works here? IBM's Watson uses natural language to answer questions. Okay. So he used Wikipedia and he answers. He used the answer he trusts the most popular ones. Okay, so answer the first question. But why? Why beer is the product that is the most likely to be bought together with an API? Okay, because parents has less time. Parents has less time to go out. They have their Friday beer at home, so it seems reasonable, but it's not obvious. Okay, but this is how human brains works. It's based on associations. Okay, and sometimes when we know the answer, it is much easier to interpret the cause, okay? But it's not obvious. That's of course the real case study. And the human brain, based on associations, where the numbers sometimes speak the most. Okay, so what do you associate banana with?
Monkeys.
Great. You like monkeys? Yes, you do. Okay, so. But why bananas are always placed at the front of the shop, near to the shop entrance? It's fresh, it's healthy. So there are positive associations, okay? And really, customers mention bananas as the most positive fruits, okay? But why the milk is always at the back?
Because you come to buy them.
That's true. You're a cheater here. Okay, you know every answer. Okay, but. Yeah, this is the, sorry?
Because you have to go through the whole store to get it.
Great. The milk is the most frequently bought product all around the world. So that's true. If you want to buy a milk, you have to pass by all the product you haven't intended to buy. Okay, so we learned a little bit about tricks, marketers' tricks in offline stores, but of course in online stores we have much more data and we can really personalize our communication. But not just like, hello, hi Michael, it's your birthday today. Okay, it's not personalized. Yeah, so this is our goal. Yeah, this is our goal to deliver artificial intelligence in SaaS model. Okay, to deliver machine learning algorithms without a middleman, without a data scientist or data analyst on board in the online store. This is a good moment to talk a little bit about data, and I will vary two kinds of data. And the first one, it's metadata. Okay, so it's a customer-specific data. Let's imagine two online stores. The first one is a shoe shop, and the second one is a bookstore. And in the first one, sizes and colors may be important. Whereas in the second one, book reviews, author lists, etc. But for an algorithm, all this data are useless without a middleman. Okay? So what, it's finished? No. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But Watson Computer won the Jeopardy game in 2011, but its first commercial adoption was introduced 2 years later as a support in lung cancer therapy, 2 years later. But the online store would not want to wait 2 years to have their artificial intelligence algorithm adapted to their customer-specific data. On the opposite of metadata are behavioral data, and they base on customers' actions, like purchasing history, browsing products, and so on. And this is the kind of data we use at edrone, and it's inspired by Netflix in our case. That's how the algorithm actually works. So our biggest challenge is to deliver mechanisms used by giants like Netflix or Amazon to the companies of any size. And our customers already do this. So the algorithm will recommend to you products ordered by customers who previously were interested into the products you bought. For instance, it will recommend to you buying ski gloves and ski helms after buying skis. This is how a typical CRM and artificial intelligence systems most often looks like. But it can be as easy as a social network interface being fully operational. And this is how edrone actually looks like, and it's based on two pillars. The first pillar is customer intelligence, where you can see in a lifetime what your customers do in your store, and you can predict their needs and their intentions, okay? And the second pillar is marketing automation, when we base on ready-to-go scenarios. So each online store can use the product from the day one. And I will show you a few features which supports customer intelligence at edrone. The part of customer intelligence is identifying visitors on online stores. So it's enough that the customer opens any message, like email, to merge all his previous and future behavior with his email address. The second one is cookie marketing. It's obvious, but each time a customer finalizes order, more than 10 people which email address already exists in your database are browsing products, adding products to their carts, etc. So if you see this cart, you will see that you have a lot of customers, you can stay in touch with them. The next one is the marketing automation. I will risk a statement that each online store is the same. Do you agree? No, for the first time. Neither I, but still I will risk a statement each online store is the same, because they vary, of course, because of the size, product range, etc. But each online store have products, picture, prices, cards, and checkout, and email addresses or phone numbers which identifies users. So that's why the ready-to-go scenarios can be used from the day one for each online store. Yeah, last but not least is social CRM. So you can pick your most influential customers to build your social affiliate networks, thanks to edrone, because we collect also the information from social media. And that's the result of our test. Okay, so a single newsletter sent from edrone makes 17 cents on average, whereas the machine learning message makes almost $22. So it's over 100 times better. Okay, so of course, the machine wins. The human decides what, and yeah. Can I take 5 more seconds, please? Yes. Okay. So, yeah, I mean that human decides to send, for example, newsletter on Thursday at 12, and the machine decides what and what to send based on data. Okay, so that's all. Thanks you for the 5 seconds more. Thank you.